Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the hardware and environment. Check the sealed box, cable, and recovery card so you avoid tampered devices. Once done, install Ledger Live on a fully updated computer and connect the device. You choose a PIN now. Pick something memorable but not obvious because the PIN protects local access. Make sure to write the recovery phrase only on the provided card, not digitally, and keep the setup area private to prevent shoulder surfing. You will enter your chosen PIN directly on the ledger and confirm it. This prevents attackers from changing device security. Next, the device generates a 24-word recovery phrase. Write each word in order on the recovery card and double-check them because this phrase can restore funds. Once written, the device prompts you to verify random words. Complete that to ensure accuracy. Make sure you never photograph or type the seed and store the paper in a secure, fireproof place. You now open Ledger Live, go to Manager, and install the specific coin apps you need. Apps isolate keys per blockchain so you can manage multiple assets safely. Once apps are installed, add accounts in Ledger Live and always validate transactions on the device screen before approving. This prevents remote tampering. If you run into firmware or connection errors, stop and do not enter your seed on any computer. Reset the device and restore using your paper seed, and contact official support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.